morning there, folks. What is happening? What is going on? Welcome back to another video. Oh, it's going to be a good weekend. F1's back. We just watched the first race of the year. We had Eggs Benny, which is now going to be a new weekend staple. Yesterday, we bought some wood from the co-op, which is going to be the trim for all of the skirting board or baseboard. I think it's all of the trim for all of the doors down the hallway. And it's the wood to make the posts and the beams. So that is in the downstairs gym, acclimatizing to the house temperature. So at some point in the next couple weeks, we will process that. We've had some snow this week, which means hopefully, my fingers are crossed, tomorrow we get to go to the Duck and do some skiing and snowboarding. I might have to relearn how to snowboard, which I didn't really learn to begin with, to be honest. So yeah, Matt is just dropping the trailer off. He'll be back any second. And I don't really know what the rest of our day looks like. So we will see you in a bit. The only downside to building the gates and having metal, they freeze. But Mama's been working out. Oh, that wind is chilly. So we had a 12-foot gate. Try that. Should be able to just slide it across. We bought a greenhouse at the auction.
You got gloves?
Yeah, I've got gloves. We bought a greenhouse at the auction because we want to get a bit more self-sufficient with our veg. In fact, there's a plan. You've heard this plan before. Of changing where the veg patch is. If I jump, am I gonna slip? No. So, we'd like to get more self-sufficient. It might say it's 10 degrees outside, but it is colder than that. Oh, the wind is just atrocious. Although the sun's trying to come out now. We did think maybe we'd go skiing today, but it is already 1 o'clock. It's time to get the smoker set up. The sun. So yeah, we're going to get the smoker out. Maybe even season it today. Which is ready to rock. So we can eat some good meat and some vegetables. Lot of snow. Alright. Look at all the snow pooch. to get fuel. I am literally warming up because I enjoy filming and taking photos and just being generally outside. And Matt really enjoys pushing snow. But the bad thing is Matt's inside a warm, heated cab. I'm not. And even with gloves on, my hands are cold and my face is cold. So I'm just using Matt's Jeep with the heated seats and the heated steering wheel to warm up while he gets back from fuel. If the wind wasn't here, we've had just 60k winds, which is one of the reasons we haven't actually been going skiing, because the wind just makes everything so much colder. So if that wind wasn't there, it'd actually be a really nice day. This is a lot of snow.
I'm about to take this off. I am.
It must be.
This is pumping.
I'm also like.
Oh wait. I'll turn it down more.
My phone screen has frozen. It must be nice having a tractor cab. I'm so cold.
We shut the doors.
Yeah.
I can see my.
I don't know if you know it. Like, look at my face. I'm so cold.
Okay now. Thank you, man. Going well. There is a lot of snow, so just gonna go around the backyard now so the dog can walk around. This is Curse's tracks because he can't walk that far now, so tractor cab for the win.
Is he taking his jumper off? Oh, that is rude. On that snowblower sounds terrible. Shameless! Well, you're not going to be able to see me home. Looks absolutely beautiful outside, like a nice bluebird day, but cold. I'm just a wimp when it comes to the cold though too. But yeah, lots of snow to move. The ski hill wasn't open yesterday, so actually kind of glad we didn't make the trip out there. But it better be open this weekend, because we have got some decent snow, finally. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
And this is my world now.